Hi everyone, this is Kenny here. So today I'm in Setapak. I want to check out Thong Kee Kopitiam, the largest branch that's actually open here in Setapak. I'm in Setapak village. This place is, frankly speaking, it's a bit hard to drive in, and there's a lot of food stores here, but we're going to go to Thong Kee today. Alright, let's go. So there's ample parking here. You can see hot sun. This is where Thong Kee is. Okay, ample parking right behind. There's a lot of shops for you to go and eat also. But the entrance to this place is very very easy to miss. It's jammed and it's easy to miss, and if once you miss that entrance, right, later I'll show you, it's going to be a very long road to come back here. Okay, so make sure you don't miss the entrance. So this is Jalan Genting, Kelang, the main road. Okay, you don't miss the overhead bridge. After the overhead bridge, you need to keep to the left. Then you can come in from here. This is a brew house, right? Go into this road. Then the parking inside there, you can find Thong Kee inside there. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to miss this street road here. Okay, let's go. Okay, they follow the same system like in Setapak. They wait for a ticket here to be assigned, so you need to queue. So I'm just gonna queue here. So they have the bunch of hawker center here together. All right. I'm here at 12:30, so look at the queue. Yeah, I'm just queuing to get a seat ticket to be assigned. Okay. The system is also like easy. You just replicate the system everywhere. But just the addition here is like a food. In BJ you also find the stalls, right, selling. So it's the same here. So I got my table. Let's go ahead. I think I need to. Now I can go and order food. Those are the food here. Let's see what they have. First up, the normal chicken rice. All these hawker food fairs wanton mee, then they have curry mee. They even have nasi lemak here, chicken slice hor fun, and they have banh mi here, and clay pot chilies. Of course, you must have the classic fried noodles. Done ordering food, I ordered the chicken hor fun, but now I have to go and get my own drinks. Okay? So once you get a table, just sit down and make sure you go and order your own drinks. Again, the menu is the same. You see Setapak, okay? So even that part there is also the same. Everything is the same. Copy paste model. Very good. And I think I'm gonna just go and get that 1+1. So I've ordered their chicken hor fun. Chicken size hor fun. Smells good, man. This is an Ipoh staple. The soup, the broth is there. You can actually taste the prawns. Very nice. Smells good as well. So perhaps now is to taste the chicken together with the hor fun. Very hot, their food. If you want, you can actually add pepper, but to me, no need. This is good by itself. Thank you. My 1+1 is here. So 1+1 is actually their signature drink. It's actually Cham Ice, coffee plus tea. Oh, they even have their straws with their brand on it. Very nicely done actually. So you shake this first. Cook it. Nice. Ice 1+1. A visit here will not be complete without their toast. This is the kaya butter toast. This is butter with kaya butter toast. This to me is their signature lah. Very good. Crunchy, nice, well toasted. This is actually the Hainanese bread. You see the white color bread. It's not the usual bread you see on the supermarket. So if you are around the corner in Setapak, do come to Thong Kee Kopitiam and try their food lah. Basically, they are famous for their Hainan coffee, okay? Or just now the 1+1, that is their signature drink actually. So you can try when you are here, alright? This is Kenny here and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.